The Congress has tried to downplay and distance itself from remarks made by former UPA minister and old aide of Rajiv Gandhi, Manishankar Aiyar. Aiyar, while speaking at an event for the launch of a book called Nehru's First Recruits, mentioned in reference to the Indo-China War in 1962 that China had allegedly invaded India. Now, the use of the word allegedly has been picked up by the BJP, and Jairam Ramesh has had to issue a hurried denial. Let's first listen to what Mr. Aiyar said.
In October 1962, the Chinese allegedly invaded India. In October 1962, the Chinese allegedly invaded India.
Allegedly invaded India. China allegedly invaded India in 1962. That's what Manishankar Aiyar said. That has stoked controversy now with the Bharatiya Janata Party hitting out at the Congress. And in fact, we also heard how the Congress is distancing itself from the remarks made by Manishankar Aiyar. Jairam Ramesh, in fact, quickly realizing that this is going to backfire for the Congress party, issued a statement on social media X saying, "What has taken into consideration Manishankar Aiyar's age." He also mentioned that Manishankar Aiyar did apologize, but Congress does not agree with the statement made by Manishankar Aiyar. So Congress party there, realizing how this is going to backfire for them, boomerang for the Congress party during elections, has distanced itself while also giving benefit of doubt to Manishankar Aiyar, saying, look at his age. We have Niyamika and Aditi both joining us. Let's first go across to Aditi for more on this. Aditi, I believe you're going to take us through the tweets.
Yes, Swati. We have the Congress reaction coming in now, and the Congress party is trying to distance itself from Aiyar's statement. Also, Jairam Ramesh is targeting at the Prime Minister for giving a clean sheet to China when the Galwan clash took place. Now, we have the reaction over here. Jairam Ramesh says, Mr. Manishankar Aiyar has subsequently apologized unreservedly for using the term alleged invasion mistakenly. Allowances must be made for his age. The Indian National Congress distances itself from his original phraseology. The Chinese invasion of India that began on October 20, 1962 was for real. So too were the Chinese incursions in Ladakh in early May 2020, in which 20 of our soldiers were martyred and the status quo disturbed. The outgoing Prime Minister, however, gave a clean chit publicly to the Chinese on June 19, 2020, seriously weakening our negotiating position. 2,000 square kilometers of territory, including Depsang and Demchok, remain out of bounds for Indian troops.
All right, so that's a statement coming in from Jairam Ramesh. But he's also, Niyamika, like I said, giving the benefit of doubt to Manishankar Aiyar, saying, you know, look at his age. And then he says he did apologize, but at the same time, distancing the party, saying this is not our stand.
Absolutely, and this is going to increase the trouble for the Congress party as well, because it is also being accepted on the part of Manishankar Aiyar when he had issued a clarification. He has mentioned that he shouldn't have used this word alleged when he was talking about the Indo-China war, but he has also given a reason that he shouldn't have used this word because the elections are going on. So it is being realized on the part of Manishankar Aiyar as well that whatever he has said, that is going to make an impact on the Congress as well, and that's the reason why immediate reaction had also come on the part of the Congress General Secretary Jairam Ramesh, as he has said that Manishankar Aiyar has accepted that this word was mistakenly being used by him during a speech. However, the Congress party has also distanced itself from the statement which is being made by Manishankar Aiyar regarding the Indo-China war, as Manishankar Aiyar has mentioned that it was being allegedly being said that an invasion was being done by China in 1962. On the other side, Jairam Ramesh has also hit at the BJP government. He has made an attack on Prime Minister Narendra Modi by mentioning about the 2020 Galwan clash, in which he has mentioned that Prime Minister Narendra Modi had given a clean sheet to China when he refused to admit that the Chinese army had intruded into the Indian territory. But on the other side, the BJP is also raising this entire matter. The BJP is saying that whatever is being said by Manishankar Aiyar is basically a revisionism on the part of the Congress party, because the BJP is saying that this is not the very first time when Manishankar Aiyar has made certain kind of controversial remarks. Earlier also he has given some statements regarding Pakistan, and this time he has given a statement regarding China, which raises a question upon the Congress party stand as well, because Congress is distancing itself from the statement which are being given by Manishankar Aiyar earlier also and this time as well. But why such kind of statements are being made by a former union minister? That raises a question upon the Congress party as well.